This is the Ecoroad EC6 Scooter, and what we're going to be doing is just showing you the best we can without going any further as possible of the bottom, unscrewing and showing you what's inside. Now, is this scooter with a battery that will basically have reverse protection, over protective protection and all? This is the charger we get. It is 42 volts, I believe. Let me double check again. I do apologize if I make a mistake. I'm not here trying to sell you or telling you. You have to make your decision for yourself about this scooter. It's 110 to 240 volt for 1 amp at 42.0 volts at 1 amp charging. So about 46 watts of power will charge this up to a 4-hour time. This will go green. Is there any power going from here to the unit, or the unit telling the power supply, hey, stop, I'm fully charged? And that is something that Ecoroad will have to answer if it has circuit protection on there. So let's open up the bottom of the base the best we can to show you what's inside. I must have ran over something. These are stickers. In order to take the wheel off, you got to take the sticker off, throw them out, can't use them. And this is a tool you should get. Well, take a look at the tool. You can kind of see it bent a little, not perfect anymore. I need to get to the bottom, so I'm going to do my best to get this up, lay it like so, and keep it up at this height. This lead, that's your brake light, shouldn't bother you. You can see there are 3 screws holding the bottom on. And you can see the reflective that they were going to add some type of light, but they never did. If you take a nice close-up look, water can get through there. I'm not going to be picky, but you can see the nice welding points. I have 15 screws to take off of the bottom skid plate. They're with blue Loctite, about a 1/2 inch maximum. It'll take me about a minute's time to unscrew each one. Get the kickstand out of the way. We could clean this up. And we're going to remove the cover. Inside here is your lithium battery, is your controller, and all your leads. So you do have protection from the controller of your battery, the pack. Battery gets wet, warranty is over. The battery is a JTESB 1046 36 volt, 5.2 amp hour, 187.2 WH, charge limit current, 3 amps, charge limit voltage, 42. And that's the information provided. The question that was asked, does it have a low voltage protection? It sure does. And here is all the information that you need to know about your battery. But does it have, you got it, protection to the battery? I'll go from the top, the front, to the rear, and that's what it looks like. Now, I don't recommend you opening up and tampering with your e-scooter. I basically just wanted to show you what the insides look like on this scooter. Now, you're going to ask me, does it have a seal? It sure does. This is a rubber seal going around the whole unit over here. So it gives it a IP rating. And if you ever need to replace the skid plate, get with the company for a new one. Things will wear down, things will break. As you can see, I'm having just a little difficulty trying to get the screw on. I want to make sure I get it back on correctly. And I don't want to crank down. I want to make sure that I put it on a certain torque and close everything up. Would take me about a minute's time. The EC6 does have a protection. It will prevent you from overcharging. I'm not 100% sure. The only person that can answer that question will be Ecoroad and fill in that information. But here you have the scooter, just showing you the interior of the unit, what it looks like of the battery undercarriage. All the screws are on nice and tight. Let's make sure we cap this bad boy off. We don't want water getting in anywhere of the unit. Everything is good. I could put my kickstand back on and I could clean all the dirt that I went over at a later time. The Ecoroad EC6 scooter does a nice job. On-road, off-road, wherever you need. I hope this interior show of the battery compartment with the controller and the scooter meets your satisfaction. Thank you very much for viewing. Have a great day.